Day 1.
Now stretching tayo guys.
Okay, now stretching. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
18 seconds lang para ano pre?
6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Taas, 8 seconds lang. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baba. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Balikat pre. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Yeah, hips now.
Hips pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8.
Jumping jacks pre.
3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Mas maganda na ano ko, kita yung pa ako.
7, 8. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 5, 6, 7.
Ano?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Game pre. Quadrant.
Nice!
Ito the first
Now,
exercise.
let's go.
Quadrant.
The quadrant jump.
Okay.
Game 1, 2, 3. 1.
Okay.
Done!
For hexagon guys.
Next is the hexagon jump. Game 1, 2, 3.
Dalawa lang ba? Oo, dalawa lang pre.
Done!
lang eh.
Ngayon
Ako
guys,
number
let's
one
do the
basher mo.
T-cone. Okay.
L-code.
Balik. May boxing, nagtitraining. Ah! Ay, hindi na pause.
Continued.
L-test naman tayo, guys.
Ilalagay ko yung ano ng One Piece.
Done. Now, the fifth one. The ladder test.
May English.
Ano pa mali?
Sobrang sa galing kaya ha. Masipag ka masyado.
Done. So ngayon guys, tatakbo naman tayo ng 3 kilometers. Let's go. 1K.
Kilometer in 7 minutes 45 seconds.
2K. Lakad na tayo sa 3rd kilometer guys. Hingal ya. Di kaya. So guys, 2.4 na. Jogging tayo pag 2.5 na ulit. Balik jogging. So yun guys, 2.5. Takbol tayo. Last 0.1 kilometer. 2.9 na guys. Halos na. Yan. 3 kilometers. Halos na. Pagod. Bye. Yon. Now, let's do our cool down. Game 1, 2, 3 guys. Game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Done na tayo guys! So yun guys, yun na ang 5 workouts or 5 exercise. Bye bye!